In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Sunsama. To begin, open your web browser and go to Notion. Navigate to the page called Getting Started. This page is a helpful reference because it confirms you are signed in to the right Notion workspace and that Notion is loading correctly in your browser. If Notion is not already open, take a moment to make sure you are logged in and able to access your pages normally, since Sunsama will need permission to connect to your Notion content. Once you have Notion open and ready, switch over to Sunsama in another tab. You should be on your Sunsama workspace view. In the Sunsama interface, look to the area where integrations and connected tools are managed. Click the highlighted section in that area. This is where Sunsama surfaces options for linking external apps, including Notion. After you click into that highlighted area, find and select the option labeled Add Notion. Clicking Add Notion is the action that starts the connection process between Sunsama and your Notion account. From here, Sunsama will guide you through authorizing access so it can pull in the Notion items you want to plan and schedule inside Sunsama. As you move through the connection flow, keep the purpose in mind. You are linking your Notion workspace so that tasks or database items can be brought into Sunsama for daily planning. For the smoothest setup, make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser, since authorization windows sometimes open in a separate prompt. It also helps to use the same browser profile for both Notion and Sunsama, so the correct account is detected automatically. Once you have selected Add Notion, follow the on-screen prompts that appear in Sunsama to complete the integration, confirming access when requested. That covers everything you need to know.